Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we make fixing your gadgets as easy as possible. Today, we're diving into a common issue with Sony TVs. That frustrating red light blinking 4 times. If your TV is acting up like this, you're not alone. It's a problem that can often be resolved with a few simple steps. So, let's get straight to it and get your screen back up and running. First off, what does this red blink mean? On Sony TVs, a 4-blink red light typically signals an issue with the power supply or an internal hardware problem. It could be something as simple as a loose connection or more complex like a faulty component. Don't panic. We'll troubleshoot this step by step. Step 1. Start with the basics. Make sure your TV is plugged into a stable power source. Unplug the power cord from both the TV and the wall outlet, wait for about 60 seconds, and then plug it back in. This power cycle can reset any temporary glitches. Turn on your TV and see if the blinking stops. If that doesn't do the trick, move to step 2. Perform a factory reset. Navigate to the settings menu on your TV. If you can access it, go to System or Storage and look for the reset option. Be warned, this will erase your personalized settings, so only do this if you're okay with starting fresh. For 2025 models, you might need to use the remote. Press and hold the power button for 10 seconds while it's off, then power it up. Next, check for software updates. Sometimes, outdated firmware causes these errors. Connect your TV to the internet, go to the settings, and search for updates. Install any available ones and restart your device. If the problem persists, inspect for overheating. Ensure your TV isn't in a spot that's too hot or blocked by objects. Give it some breathing room and let it cool down before trying again. Finally, if none of these steps work, it might be time to call in the pros. Contact Sony support or a certified technician, as this could indicate a hardware issue needing expert repair. There you have it. Simple fixes for a pesky problem. Thanks for watching, and if this helped, hit that like button and subscribe for more tech tips. See you next time.